Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create custom ringtone and set on your phone. So firstly go to Play Store and then search for apps, ringtone makers and download these apps. After download the apps, just click on the open and open these apps and then wait some seconds and then click on the continue apps and then select a language. I just select United States and then click on the next and then click on the next and then click on the next, again click on the next and choose your background color. I choose dark mode and then select mode. So apps, these apps already open and then now we make custom ringtone. Tap on the video to audio and tap on the allow. And guys, suppose I like this video's audio. Now I want to make it my ringtone in my phone. Select the videos and click on the next. And now I want to set ringtone 10 seconds. That's for I click card and I select 10 seconds and then click the convert and now we save with the rename new ringtone and then click on the save. So ringtone already saved. Now we go to our settings, phone settings and search ringtone and then click on the ringtone and choose a local ringtone and then go to file manager and then click on the new ringtone mp3 and click on the OK. Now just click on the apply and click on the OK. Okay, our ringtone applied. I think you understand how to create custom ringtone and please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.